How to get ads on Candy Crush Saga. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you a guide on how to enable ads in Candy Crush Saga to earn extra rewards. So let's get started. So first of all, you'll need to know what ads do. So whenever you're falling short of lives, you can just click on your life, and here you'll be able to see an option that would say watch an ad, and you'll be able to get extra lives by watching those ads. Or whenever you're falling short of moves, you can watch ads, and in return you'll get some limited amount of moves that you can work on. Or if you're not able to complete any mission, then you can watch ads in order to get extra time to do that. So how you would get those ads? So for that, what you need to do is connect yourself to the Wi-Fi or cellular network. So you can just scroll down just over here, and then you can enable your Wi-Fi or your mobile data. So you can just turn on Wi-Fi, and once you do so, you'll be able to see that here after a while your Wi-Fi gets connected. And once you do so, whenever you're playing a game and you fall short of moves, you'll be able to watch an ad, and in return you'll get some extra moves. Or if you're short on lives, you can watch ads in order to get extra lives. So that is basically how you can get ads on Candy Crush Saga, by just simply turning on your Wi-Fi or mobile data. And you can even try restarting your game, and after that you'll be able to watch ads on Candy Crush Saga. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.